Welcome back. We had a good amount of sunshine, especially as we made our way through the morning. A few more passing clouds by the afternoon, but clear skies lasting through the evening. Here's our Tower Cam time lapse, the Regional West weather camera in Scottsbluff, as we stayed dry for the day today. So we had enough sunshine to get us into the mid-70s. Pretty warm for this time of year, even with a little bit of a northerly wind. So here's a look at the highs. 76 at Scottsbluff, only made it up to near 70 at Sydney and at Kimball, but low to mid-70s from Alliance out toward Chadron, out toward Cheyenne and points off to the south, around 66 degrees for a high temperature today. Here's a look at the temperatures outside right now. Near 50 into the valley locations, all the way from Scottsbluff, Torrington, Bridgeport, and Oshkosh. Lower 40s out toward Sydney, but also near 50 as you make your way up toward the Chadron area. Now, here's a look at the winds, mainly from a northerly or northeasterly direction. A pretty cool flow, wind speeds around 5 to 15 miles per hour where the wind is blowing. Some areas it has gone calm, and that will be the issue as we go through the overnight. Now, with the clear skies and the nearly calm wind, it will cool off pretty quickly, but it looks like the freeze warnings are going to miss us off to the north, into portions of North and South Dakota, not crossing the border into Nebraska. These are freeze watches off to our north from Thursday night all the way through Friday morning. So it looks like we're going to have to wait until the next batch of cold air before we will have to worry about that. Now, this low is moving off to the east. We had a cold front come through earlier. Another cold front is on the way, and behind this one is much cooler air. A high will work its way in, and it will cool us off as we round out the work week and start the weekend, and then through the weekend we'll have a lot of sunshine and we will start to warm up. So here's how it looks on the maps. That really cool high pressure system works its way down. Now, that frontal boundary sets up over us Thursday night into Friday. We do have cloud cover and a good chance of some showers before that high really takes charge and moves off to our east Saturday into Sunday. That'll give us a lot of sunshine and eventually, to start next week, a southerly flow, and we will continue to warm up because of that. Now, here's a look at the skycast. Temperatures falling back to the upper 30s in most areas with mainly clear skies tonight. More clouds work their way in for Thursday. We'll have partly to mostly cloudy skies. Cooler temperatures for highs, low to mid-50s in the northern panhandle where they keep clouds all day from the valley and points off to the south, mid to upper 60s. And then as we go through your Thursday night into Friday, and see with the green on the map, that's a chance of some showers. Now, by Friday afternoon, after starting off near 40 for a low, we'll have high temperatures in the low to mid-50s because we've kept clouds all day, but could have a few more peaks of sun before the sun does set, but temperature's not really going anywhere for Friday. The 70s and 80s that we had today and for the past couple of weeks are moving off into the Midwest and off into the Northeast as that strong cold front makes its way through. This cool air mass will keep us into the 50s, even some 40s as you make your way further north for high temperatures. And with the back end of that cold front setting up over us, that's giving us the chance of some showers, mainly on Thursday night into Friday. Not only here, but up and down the spine of the Rockies, even into northern Mexico, some moisture. Also some moisture in the form of rain in the northeast. Getting into Canada, go further enough north in this cold air, you run into some significant snow up in that direction. The chilly air mass won't last long. That moves off to the east, and eventually, for the weekend and beyond, we get into this ridge in the jet stream, unseasonably warm air with more sunshine. So here's how it looks on the extended forecast. 68 tomorrow and 59 on Friday with that rain chance. Gone by Friday afternoon, and then back to sunshine, upper 60s and lower 70s over the weekend. Sunny skies Monday, a high of 74, and 76 on Tuesday. Do have a slight chance of some showers once again lasting into Wednesday. Cooler with partly cloudy skies. High of only 58 by this time next week. Angel?
Thanks, Justin. President Biden traveled to Southwest Florida today to see the damage for himself left behind by Hurricane Ian. The president and first lady flying over